In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. And so anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to make money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission for those services. So what you will do, click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password. Account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to choose good services that people are searching for on YouTube that you can promote so you can earn some commission. Okay, so how you can choose a profitable services? What you need to do, just go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific topic, products, and so much more just using YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. I'm following people who are making 1,000, even millions per month just by using YouTube and promoting affiliate links. They are making so much money. Okay, anyways, so what you will do, go to your YouTube homepage and use YouTube search. Click on the search and ask question. I will ask, for example, how to promote your, for example, how to promote YouTube video. Okay, as you can see, people are searching for how to promote YouTube videos, how to promote YouTube video on Google Ads, how to promote YouTube video on Instagram, how to promote YouTube video on Facebook, how to promote YouTube video in Google Ads. Let's take, for example, this topic, how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads, because those people who are searching for how to promote videos in Google Ads, they have money. They are ready to invest money to promote their YouTube videos. Okay, and that's why they are searching for how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads. They don't know how to do it. Okay, what you will do, you will go to Fiverr. Okay, go to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for YouTube video promotion. Search for YouTube video promotion Google Ads. Okay, like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, So let's choose a good seller. So let me see. I can see this one looking good. Okay, this one is really looking good. He is making a video showing his reviews and his the feedback of his customers. That's a really good one. Okay, and this one is level 2 seller. It is good seller. Okay, so what you will do, click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. Okay, this video looking good. Double click, save this video to your laptop. Click on save video and save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name this video Google Ads. So for example, Google Ads video. And what you need to do next, go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on video and you will be directly in this Fiverr profile, in this Canva page over here. Okay, what you need to do next, click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, open. Your video will be uploaded. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. Click on text. Scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Click on the text style and your text style will be over here. I will delete this part. Decrease the font size of your text. Put your text here. Double click, write the sentence, check link in my description. Check link in my description like this. Okay, and put this title here. Go to elements, click on elements, click over here on shape. Okay, click on color, choose black color and keep clicking on your shape and put your shape here like this. Okay, it's super easy like this. Okay, check link in description. Click on the video, click over here on volume and decrease the volume to 0. We don't want any background music, we want just the video. Let me check now. Okay, it's now looking good. Okay, as you can see, it's really looking good, showing his customer result, showing how this seller will do promotion for YouTube videos using Google Ads. That's really good. People who will watch your video will see this. Check link in my description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. So after you finish, click on share, click on download and download this video to your laptop. Go to YouTube, open your YouTube channel. It's for free. It will take just 1 minute. It's super easy. You just need to use your email address and that's it. Okay, after you finish, copy this title, how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads, exactly like it is. Okay, don't change or add anything, just copy how to promote YouTube videos in Google Ads. Put this title in your video. In your YouTube description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, go back to YouTube, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and that's it. It's really super easy. You are promoting services that people are searching for. People are searching for how to promote videos in Google Ads. Those people have money. They are really ready to invest money to promote their YouTube videos using Google Ads. They don't know how to do it. That's why they are searching for, on YouTube, how to do it. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, this seller is good seller. He has uh, experience. They know exactly how to promote videos using Google Ads, and that's it. So that's it, guys. I share with you all the methods that you can use. Okay, this is the method that I'm using. I'm promoting my affiliate links on YouTube. YouTube is the number one source of traffic for me. I use Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, but YouTube is the number one source of traffic. It's super power. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube, and that's it. For people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, just check this description, go watch the video showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel, how you can add your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.